Dear students, welcome to the classroom. Today we are going to continue the fourth lesson of Introduction to Computers Standard 8 Excel, and today's topic is Enter data in a worksheet. Dear students, first of all open the Excel according to given instructions. After opening, you can see Excel opens with sheet 1 in which A1 is the active cell. The name box displays A1, the cell address of the active cell. Dear students, the column and the row of the active cell will be highlighted in the column headers and row headers. Now in A1, type in marksheet. The title is too long for cell A1 and it overflows into B1. So dear students, we will format it later. You can see that name box displays A1, the cell address of the active cell, while the formula bar displays the contents marksheet of the active cell. Now press the enter key twice or click in A3. Now A3 is the active cell. Now we will enter subject names. In A3, type in name. You can see that name box displays A3, the cell address of the active cell, while the formula bar displays the contents name of the active cell. Now press the tab key to move a single cell to the right, B3, and type in English in it. Now in C3, type in Gujarati, and in D3, type in mathematics. The word mathematics is too long for D3 and so it overflows into cell E3. We will format it later. Now my dear students, press the tab key to move to E3 and type in total. After typing in total in E3, click in A5. The subject names appears as shown here. Now we will enter names of students. First of all, in A5, type in a name of a student. Now press the enter key to move down a single cell A6. Type in another name. Similarly, type in a few names. The names of students appears as shown here. Now we will enter marks. So click in B5 and enter marks. Remember, marks are out of 40. These are Heta's marks in English. Now press the enter key to go to B6 and enter Amit's marks in English. Similarly, enter marks of all the students in English. Now click in C5 and enter Heta's mark in Gujarati. Now similarly, enter marks of all students in all subjects. The worksheet appears as shown here. Now we will learn to save the worksheet. Dear students, there are two ways to save the worksheet. Number 1, on the quick access toolbar, click on save. You will see the save as dialog box. Or on the title bar, click on office button. You will see a drop down menu. On that menu, click on save button to see the save as dialog box. By default, the worksheet will be saved in document folder. In file name text box, you can see the default name. Book 1 is highlighted with a cursor blinking at the end of the word. Dear students, in a dialog box, text box is the place where you can type text. You will always see the cursor blinking in a blank text box. Now we will save the worksheet as marksheet. So type in marksheet in the file name text box. And if you wish to save the document with the default name, just click on save button at the bottom of the dialog box. After typing the name, click on save as button. The save as dialog box closes. Now look at the title bar. It now shows Marksheet Microsoft Excel, the name with which we have saved the worksheet. On the title bar, click on Close button to close the Excel. Now my dear students, in this video we have learned that how to enter data in a worksheet and how to save the worksheet. So watch the video carefully to understand the lesson.